Apple is getting ready to drop a massive new Mac Studio, and its biggest change will be completely hidden inside the metal case. The company is tearing out and rebuilding the internal thermal system from the ground up to stop this powerful new machine from literally melting a hole through your desk. If you were hoping for a sleek new matte black redesign or a slimmer profile, you will be disappointed. The outside is staying exactly the same, retaining the same footprint, the same front ports, and the familiar cheese grater holes on the back. Apple is ignoring aesthetics right now to focus purely on the heavy metal trapped underneath the shell. The reason for this massive internal redesign is the brand new M5 Ultra chip. Previously, Apple would create its Ultra chips by simply gluing two of their fast Max chips together. This time, they are using a new technique called fusion architecture. By physically separating the processor and graphics cards into different puzzle pieces, Apple can precisely control power distribution. This makes the machine insanely fast and efficient, but moving raw electricity around in this new way creates blistering heat zones. The old fans simply couldn't handle the heat, forcing Apple to essentially rip out the machine's lungs and put in bigger ones. This performance bump is desperately needed because things were getting a little embarrassing for Apple's desktop lineup. Currently, a regular MacBook Pro equipped with an M4 Max chip can actually outpace the giant M3 Ultra Max Studio in pure single-core processor speed. To restore the desktop's dominance and give video editors a reason to hold on to that silver block, Apple is bumping the new M5 Ultra up to a staggering 80 graphics cores. This will allow professionals to easily brute force their way through massive 8K video files or build giant 3D video game worlds. The most unhinged specification leaked so far, however, is the memory. Rumors suggest Apple is testing this new desktop with up to 768 gigabytes of unified system memory. While completely ridiculous for the average person typing emails or watching Netflix, this massive amount of RAM is a game changer for developers. It will allow users to run massive, genius-level AI models locally, right on their desks, completely bypassing the need to rent expensive cloud servers or compromise private data. Unfortunately, this massive leap forward comes with a catch that will hurt your wallet. Originally expected in early 2026, the release has been heavily delayed by a global memory chip shortage that is currently squeezing the entire tech industry. Insiders now point to an October 2026 release date for the M5 Ultra. Because these parts are so expensive and hard to find right now, rumors suggest Apple might quietly cancel the cheaper entry-level option altogether. You are going to have to wait a lot longer and empty your bank account a lot faster to actually get this rebuilt powerhouse onto your desk.